Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make some Halloween witch hat cupcakes. So much fun and super spooky. Start with 1 pack of cupcake mix, ready-made, bought from the store, or you can make your own. Let's add 180 milliliters of water into that, 90 milliliters of sunflower oil and 3 eggs. Just whisk it all up with an electric whisk. Makes the whole process much easier and faster. And then spoon your mixture into your cupcake holders. We want to fill each holder about 2/3 of the way, giving room for the cakes to rise. Once those are all filled, we're going to bake this in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. When they're ready, just let them cool, and meanwhile, prepare the decoration. We're rolling out some black fondant icing. Now, using a cookie cutter, we're going to cut out 3 circles. Now, cut some chunks of black fondant icing and roll them out into cone shapes. Chopping off the end and bending it over. We want 3 of these, and using a touch of water as glue, we just stick them onto our circles. Can you see our witch hat formed? Fantastic! Now let's get some coloured fondant icing. Starting with purple, we're going to cut out a thin strip. Do the same with orange fondant icing. And then green. Now get some white fondant icing and cut it into squares. We want 3 of these. Excellent! Again, using water as glue, we're going to stick on our colourful fondant icing so it looks like a ribbon around the witch's hat. And then stick your white fondant square in the middle. Pressing it down. And a black fondant square, even smaller, in the middle of that. It looks like a buckle. Now let's make our buttercream frosting, starting with orange. So just add your food colouring and give it a stir. Pop that into a food piping bag. Squeeze it down to the bottom, ready to pipe. We're doing the same with green food colouring and purple to match the ribbons on our witches' hats. And then just pipe them onto the top of your cupcakes, starting with green using a serrated edge nozzle. Now we're doing a smooth purple. And let's do a crinkly orange. Then just stick on your witches' hats. Excellent! Look at that! 3 witches' hats! Amazing! Super easy, fun to do, get the kids involved, and don't forget to enjoy eating your delicious Halloween witch hat cupcakes. Yum!